Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It's a 2027 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Have it equipped in the light blue hull color, a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We do have the white hardtop frame with the light blue underside of the hardtop to match. This boat's powered by twin white V8 300 Verados from Mercury. Let's hop up inside and check out some more features. Now that we're on board the Boston Whaler 2027 280 Vantage, let's check out a few more key features. Once again, we'd like to point out our white V8 300 Mercury Verados that power this boat. Great engine package, do have joystick capabilities that we will take a look at later on in the video. Across the transom here, we do have some rod holders. Along with in our entryway, we do have a freshwater sprayer as well. On the port side here, we do have a nice deep live well. We do have the fishing package on this boat, so we do also have tow rails over there on the starboard side to be able to reel that big fish in. As always, on Boston Whaler, we do have really nice, sturdy stern seat that does fold up if you do want to fish the cockpit. Nice and easy, out of the way. We've got bolsters across all of our areas to be able to fight that fish, lean up against, have a little bit of padding to do so. Fish boxes on either side. Port side dive door that does have a ladder that will go with it, so a great access point if you're at the sandbar or if you want to be able to pull in that big catch. Over here we do, well, first of all, I would like to point out the rod holders on the base of our hardtop along with our large shade. Then on the port side, we do have a very versatile seat here. Multiple positions to be able to be more comfortable while underway. Also, we'll fully lay down into a sun pad that we can pull up and place a nice little headrest there as well to be able to face forward. Storage underneath this entire seat as well. Put it back into place. On the starboard side here, we do have a nice summer kitchen area with a refrigerator down below. A nice seat with a cooler beneath. Then also, our Corian countertop will rotate to give us a nice Kenyan grill to be able to fry anything up that you're looking to be able to do out on the water. So we move to the helm. We do have a nice Simrad display. Toggle switching for all of our bilge pumps, our shade, anything else. Also our nav lights and freshwater systems. We do have a spotlight on this boat, so that's where this will be controlled. Linco trim tabs, our upgraded new Mercury binnacle system, and then also that joystick piloting with skyhook and autopilot that I mentioned earlier. Boat is equipped with the VHF radio from Simrad as well. Also, our steering wheel is on a tilt base. Over here on the port side, we do have a nice large head with a freshwater sink. Very roomy over there. Also, very easy access, and we do have overboard discharge capabilities on that as well. Nice glove box storage. Also here with some non-skid. Would like to point out in the hardtop here, we do have some nice grab rails to be able to move around the boat while underway. Also would like to point out that the boat is yacht certified, so you can have as many people on board as you would like, as long as you have a life jacket for them. Here up in the bow, nice comfortable seating with armrests on either side. Do have a nice little door here for access to a 5-gallon bucket if you would like to use it as a trash can. Storage down below our seating here. Nice deep storage. Once again, access to that 5-gallon bucket I mentioned. Also great place to be able to throw some fishing rods, anything else that you want to have up out of the way. We do have our bow filler cushion in place right now, so great area to be able to turn into more of a sun pad lounging area. Very deep, comfortable seating. I'm 6'4" for reference, so very nice, comfortable seating. We do have grab rails on either side as well. and JL Audio speaker controls for that stereo system with cup holders directly easy to access. Up at the bow, we do have some more rod holders as well. And also we have a bow boarding ladder, which is very nice if you were to nose up to a beach. Easy access to be able to get back on the boat. Also our anchor windlass system with a freshwater sprayer right here to be able to spray it down as you bring it in. That was a quick look at the 2027 280 Vantage from Boston Whaler. If you'd like to learn more about this or anything else that we offer here at MarineMax, feel free to check us out at marinemax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.